Meteorologist AJ Colby here in the Weather Center. Happy Monday, everybody. We're rounding out the month of January here. Only a few days left in the month, and we're going to be looking ahead into the first weekend of February. So that is some interesting news, along with quite a changeable weather pattern here for the next several days. As you'll see, it is going to be interesting to say the least. The models are trying to have some fun here figuring out when and timing these weather systems that are about coming through. Boy, the winds are really picking up out there. We're going to detail that. There's a wind advisory and other details, but first things first, as we always like to do, and that is the forecast. So here it is for you, the extended outlook for the middle of the week on into the first part of the weekend here. And we'll start off midweek with Wednesday. The winds are going to kick up again. There'll be a little break, a little lull in the wind for tomorrow, and that'll last on into Tuesday. But Wednesday, a clipper system is going to zoom in here and may bring in some snow too. Temperatures top out in the upper 30s down to 17 behind the system. Then bright sunshine for Thursday as high pressure wedges in. And it should be quite a nice day. Thursday, it was looking initially like Friday would be the pick of the days coming up for the week ahead, but we'll switch it to Thursday. For now, highs near 40, rain showers on Friday with a high near 40, and then, of course, that will end as snow Friday night as temperatures drop down to 23. Saturday, snow shower is a possibility, and we'll give that probability a 30% chance as we kick off the month of February. The high on Saturday is going to be 32 degrees. Here's a live look out there at Fairport Harbor. And you can see the sun about ready to set there in the next 20 minutes or so. But still plenty of ice out there to be had for sure. And the wind is cranking in at a pretty good clip, gusts to 40 and 45 miles an hour. So it is definitely windy. From the National Weather Service, a windy night is on the way as a wind advisory from 10 o'clock this morning all the way through 6 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday for Cuyahoga, Lake Geauga, and Ashtabula. The wind advisory for the western counties, basically west of I-71, those counties will see their wind advisory expire at 1 a.m., so just after midnight. Along with this clipper system coming through is the potential for some snow and an impact to your Tuesday morning commute. So the National Weather Service issuing winter weather advisory that goes from 7 o'clock tonight through 10 a.m. on Tuesday for Erie and Crawford counties in northwest PA. So that is more focused in northwest Pennsylvania. If you're happen to be traveling along I-90 heading into PA, you want to be aware that several inches of snow and a snow burst and maybe some lake effect on the backside, a lake enhanced snow. Squalls moving through that neck of the woods are expected. But there you see the snowfall amounts generally less than an inch west of Cleveland, and from Cleveland, Akron, Canton east, 1 to 2 inches, 2 to 3 over eastern Ashtabula County. So that is the expectation. Meantime, here is the state of affairs today. Look at that. Really just nothing but clear skies throughout the day today, with the exception of a few little high-level clouds wafting into the picture. Look at the ice out on Lake Erie. Boy, you really can pick that out. It's most of the lake, but there are some fairly significant ice-free areas. So the shallowest part of the lake on the western basin freezes first from the Lake Erie Archipelago west, and then from that point east up to basically Cleveland, it's fairly ice-free. Then the ice takes over again after that. So I just thought that was a very interesting picture there, looking at it from 20,000 miles or so up from the surface of the Earth. Widen the view, still a lot of snowpack out there. All the areas in white that are shaded in white there, that is a true representation of where the snowpack is still extant, including much of lower Michigan. But there's a lot of snow-free areas over Illinois and Indiana, basically the northern tier, which is opposite, right, of what you would think. You would think the northern part of the states would have snowpack, but that's just not how this entire thing's set up. widen the view, show you the country. And it's a fairly quiet day all across the lower 48. You can hear the doggies barking there in the background. Meantime, snow showers are approaching. They're on their way. So get ready for some snowflakes to fly. Maps in motion tonight. There's the cold front going through. Little secondary boundary will animate here on into tomorrow morning. You can see the leftover snow over Ashtabula and northwest PA, western New York on into tomorrow afternoon. High pressure wedging in for tomorrow night. So that's Tuesday night on into Wednesday morning. Wednesday, there's a chance for snow with the approaching weather system. That's Wednesday evening's map as high pressure comes back in to tee us up for a spectacular Thursday. Here's Futurecast radar. We'll show you the snow on the way, and it should arrive here about 11 o'clock tonight, maybe a little earlier, and then a little lake-enhanced snow on the backside of the system. Another area of snowfall heading in, as you saw there, Wednesday. So that's our forecast, as you saw earlier. Our forecast for tonight, though, windy with a chance of snow, local coatings possible up to an inch or two east of Cleveland by tomorrow, especially. Lows down to 22. Look at those winds. That forecast wind velocity, southwest sustained at 20 to 25 and gust to 45. Some areas could gust as high as 50 miles an hour, especially hugging the shoreline. There's a little less friction there over the icy waters of Lake Erie. Few snow showers tomorrow, then the winds ease. 32. Winds west, then southwest. You can see they've come down quite a bit, even though we'll still have gusts to 25 miles an hour. One more look at the extended outlook there, as you saw earlier, and you can see upper 30s on Wednesday, near 40 on Thursday and Friday, with bright sunshine on Thursday, transitioning us over to all rain on Friday. Snow showers on Saturday, and Saturday's high 32 degrees. Hope you guys have a terrific night tonight. Stay safe, and appreciate you stopping by from the AJ Colby Weather Center. I am meteorologist AJ Colby. Have a great night, everybody.